The rugged phone lovers are certainly quite knowledgeable about the Blackview brand because they are among the leading experts in the category. But the Chinese company also has an Oscal sub-brand for a while, and this sub-brand is aiming to produce the ideal affordable rugged phone, just like the parent company. Oscal S60 and S60 Pro models managed to get quite a good reception a while ago, but now it's time for the slightly upgraded model. So let's say hello to the Oscal S60 Pro Night Vision. The new phone is almost exactly the same as the S60 Pro with one notable exception. As you could already guess by the name, it adds the night vision capability thanks to the 8-megapixel Sony IMX219 sensor. And with double IR emitters to support it, you take it right away for your night adventures and picture taking. It's of course once again a truly rugged model built like a tank with IP68, IP69K and MIL-STD-810G certifications. Then we have features and perks like Helio A25 processor, 5.7-inch HD plus screen, 5580 mAh battery capacity, 13-megapixel main camera, DocOS 2.1 system based on Android 11. And all that can be yours for a truly fantastic price with the early bird promo offer. Because starting from March 28th up until April 10th there will be a massive discount for Oscal S60 Pro Night Vision. The Blackview official store on Banggood will have the price reduced to just $109, which is a whopping 50% off for the rugged beast. So make sure to check it and don't miss such juicy offer. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon, dear viewers.